A Dremel tool, often referred to as a rotary tool, is one of the most versatile and handy power tools available to professionals and hobbyists alike. Compact yet powerful, the Dremel tool is prized for its ability to perform a wide variety of tasks thanks to a broad array of interchangeable accessories and attachments. Its signature feature is the high-speed rotating bit, which can spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, allowing for precise and delicate work as well as tougher, more demanding applications. At its core, the Dremel tool excels in cutting. With the right cutting wheel or bit attached, it can slice through wood, metal, plastic, ceramics, and even thin masonry. This makes it invaluable for small, detailed cutting jobs, such as trimming screws, cutting out intricate patterns in wood, or making openings in plastic casings. Unlike larger saws or cutting devices, the Dremel's compact size and maneuverability allow for greater control and precision, especially in tight spaces. Grinding and sharpening are also common uses. By swapping in a grinding stone or sharpening attachment, the Dremel can quickly restore the edge of garden tools, knives, scissors, or even mower blades. It's particularly effective for touch-ups or working on tools with intricate shapes, where a traditional bench grinder might be too bulky or aggressive. Sanding is another area where the Dremel shines. With sanding drums and discs, the tool can smooth rough edges, remove paint or rust, and prepare surfaces for finishing. Its fine control makes it ideal for detail sanding on furniture, models, or crafts, places where a larger sander would be unwieldy. Whether you're refinishing a chair, working on a model railway, or prepping a surface for painting, the Dremel's sanding capabilities are hard to beat. Polishing and cleaning are made easy with the Dremel's felt or cloth wheels and various polishing compounds. This function is especially popular among jewelry makers, car enthusiasts, and anyone needing to restore shine to metal, glass, or plastic items. The Dremel can gently buff out scratches, tarnish, and oxidation, leaving surfaces gleaming and refreshed. Drilling small holes is another application. With a suitable drill bit, the Dremel can bore holes in wood, plastic, soft metals, and even glass or ceramics. It's perfect for tasks like making pilot holes for screws, creating holes for jewelry findings, or adding ventilation holes to enclosures. Its precision and controllable speed make it a preferred choice for delicate materials. Engraving and carving are also popular uses, especially among artists and crafters. With fine engraving tips, the Dremel can etch designs into glass, wood, metal, or stone. Whether personalizing gifts, adding decorative details, or creating custom art, the Dremel's lightweight and versatility make it easy to handle for long periods. Beyond these common uses, the Dremel tool can also be adapted for special tasks with dedicated attachments. For example, there are attachments for routing, making the Dremel a mini router for inlay work or decorative edges. There are also flexible shafts for extra reach, guides for straight cuts, and dust collection systems for cleaner operation. In summary, the Dremel tool is the go-to device for anyone needing a compact, multi-purpose tool that can cut, grind, sand, polish, engrave, and drill, with a level of precision and convenience that larger tools simply can't match. From home repairs and DIY projects to intricate crafts and professional applications, the Dremel's adaptability makes it an essential addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, the Dremel tool opens up a world of creative possibilities and practical solutions.